I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Roblox and going straight to Settings, then Security. This is where two-step verification and backup codes live. Once there, locate the backup codes section and make sure your authenticator or phone is nearby so you can confirm it's really you. You do this because disabling backup codes affects account recovery, so verify identity now. If you see a prompt for code, enter it quickly. If not, continue to the next security options to prepare for removal. Once you're in the Backup Codes panel, click Manage or Remove to begin the disable process. You'll be asked to confirm identity, use SMS, the Authenticator app, or the email code you have set up. This prevents unauthorized changes. After entering the confirmation code, choose Disable or Turn Off for backup codes, and make sure to read the warning about losing recovery options. You do this because backup codes are a last resort. Turning them off means you must rely on primary two-step methods. Finish by confirming that backup codes are removed and that your primary two-step authentication remains active. This prevents accidental lockout. Save the changes, sign out, and then sign back in to test that your regular authenticator or SMS still works. This proves the account is secure without backup codes. If something goes wrong and you're locked out, immediately try your Authenticator app first, and if that fails, contact Roblox support. Explain you disabled backup codes and need account recovery assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.